If you want to see a delicious gluten-free banana bread recipe that's super easy, stay tuned. So, to keep it gluten-free, I've got organic oat flour, a little baking powder, some almond butter, some apple cider vinegar, oat milk, flaxseed. I also have some vanilla extract that I didn't show you guys, and of course some bananas. So first thing I'm doing is taking my flaxseed. I've added some water to make it dissolve. It's going to give you this sticky texture that replaces the eggs, and I tried crushing it and grounding it a little bit, but it really doesn't matter how ground it gets. Of course, I've mashed up some bananas. These are some super ripe bananas. I suggest you use 3 to 4. I only used about 2, and honestly, I wish I had about 4 because that banana taste is so delicious in your banana bread. Next, I am just gonna mash my ingredients. I have about 1.5 cups of oat flour here. I'm going to add my maple almond butter. That pouch is about 2 tablespoons. You can add as much as you want. I've also got some Trader Joe's maple syrup. Oh my gosh, it's a maple organic agave syrup. Use about up to 1/3 cup, depends on your liking. You can also add cinnamon in there. I added a tablespoon of vanilla extract as well. Of course, about 1/3 cup of my oat milk. You want to keep a non-dairy milk. This is an anti-inflammatory recipe. And of course, I'm adding my little dissolved flaxseed. Look at that. See, when I added the water, you get this jelly texture. And this is why you don't need eggs for this recipe. So it is something for people who don't like eggs or they have an egg allergy. This is going to be the perfect recipe for you. And see, I'm squeezing my little almond butter in right now, and it's just so delicious. I've got about a capful of apple cider vinegar in there. Adding my little teaspoon or 2 of baking powder in there. The full recipe will be listed at badauntbb.com. Don't worry about that. And I'm just whisking this up, whisking and whisking and whisking and whisking and whisking it away till I have a nice little smooth but still lumpy to an extent. Like I'm smoothing it to get a nice little texture going before I go ahead and grease my loaf pan and add this mixture to the oven. I already have my oven on 350. You just bake this banana bread in there for about 45 minutes and you're gonna get this delectable loaf. You can see I'm so excited. Nieces and nephews, as my nephew himself would say, yummy to my tummy. I could taste the banana. I probably could have added another banana. It's got this chewy texture from the flaxseed. It's not too sweet, but it's so good. Like the maple, I use that maple agave syrup, the vanilla, the banana. It's just good, and I feel guilt-free about it. I love this. Thumbs up for the banana bread recipe. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you want to see me make some more autoimmune friendly. If you want to see some more gluten-free recipes, anti-inflammatory recipes, make sure you check out. Make sure you leave a comment below. There's no community without the even the I, of course, so make sure you leave me some questions, comments, or concerns. If you want to see more recipes, if you have a question about the recipe, I am going to post this recipe at badauntbb.com, so check that out in the description box. In the meantime, in between time, it's your girl Bad Aunt BB. Over and out.